The window is open. Luna is not on the table. My cat is gone. It starts 1 hour before. It is Saturday morning. The sun is warm and yellow. I make coffee in the kitchen. Luna sits on the table and watches me. She is small and gray. She has one white foot. I open the window a little. The air is cold and fresh. Then I go to the bathroom. I am there for 10 minutes. Only 10 minutes. When I come back, the table is empty. Luna? I say. Nothing. I look under the table. No cat. I look behind the sofa. No cat. I put my hand under the pillows. No cat. I go to the bedroom. The bed is empty. The chair is empty. My heart is fast now. I go back to the kitchen. The window is open wide. I live on the second floor. There is a big tree outside my window. Luna is young. Luna is brave. I take my keys and I run. I run down the stairs. The street is quiet. It is early. I call her name. Luna, Luna. A bird sings in the tree. That is all. I look under 2 cars. I look in the small garden. I see something gray near a wall. For 1 second I am happy. But it is only a stone. Then a door opens behind me. It is Mr. Lee. He lives next to me. He is old and he is kind. What is wrong, Alex? He says. My cat is gone, I say. She is gray. She is very small. Mr. Lee puts on his hat. Then we look together, he says. We walk around the building. He looks behind the bins. I look up at the tree. There are only birds. We ask a woman with a dog. She does not see a gray cat. 20 minutes. 30 minutes. My hands are cold. Cats come home, Mr. Lee says. They always come home. But I am not sure. We go back up to my flat. The door is open. Mr. Lee stops in the hall. Wait, he says, listen. I listen. The flat is very quiet. Then I hear a small sound. It comes from the kitchen. It is not the fridge. It is a soft little meow. Near the kitchen door there is a big box. There are old towels in the box. And on the towels there is Luna. She sleeps. She is warm. She opens one eye and looks at me. She is not sorry. Mr. Lee laughs. She is here all the time, he says. I sit down on the floor. I am tired and I am happy. I take Luna in my arms. She is very small and very warm. You are a bad cat, I say. She puts her head on my hand. Now I have a new rule in my house. First I close the window. Then I go to the bathroom. And now Mr. Lee comes for coffee on Sundays. 2 weeks later, I lose something again. It is Monday morning. I have a meeting at 9. It is 8:15. I have my keys. I have my bag. I have my jacket. But I do not have my phone. I look on the table. There are 2 cups and a book. No phone. I look on the sofa. I put my hand under the pillows again. I find a pen. I find 1 sock. I do not find my phone. Okay, I say, think. I listen to music in the kitchen. So my phone is in the kitchen. I go to the kitchen. I look next to the plates. I look under the newspaper. I open the fridge. Yes, the fridge. Sometimes things are in strange places. But there is only milk and cheese. It is 8:20 now. Luna sits on the chair and watches me. She is very calm. Then the bell rings. It is Emma. Emma is my friend from work. We go to the meeting together. Are you ready? She says. I can't find my phone, I say. Emma comes in. She is always calm. Easy, she says. I call it. She takes her phone. She calls my number. We stand in the middle of the room. We do not move. We listen. Nothing. Again, I say. She calls again. And then we hear it. It is very small and very far. It is not in this room. We walk to the door. The sound is louder in the hall. We walk to the bathroom. And now it is loud. My phone is in the washing machine. It is in my old jeans. In the back pocket. I open the machine fast. I take out the jeans. My phone is there. It is dry. It is fine. The water is not in the machine yet. Emma laughs for a long time. 2 minutes more, she says. 2 minutes more, and your phone takes a bath. I look at the clock. It is 8:50. We run down the stairs. We run to the bus stop. The bus is not there. The bus is at the corner, and it goes away. So we walk fast. We are 10 minutes late. Everybody is in the room. Everybody looks at us. Sorry, I say, my phone is in the washing machine. The room is quiet for 1 second. Then everybody laughs. My boss laughs too. That is a good one, she says. Now I look in my pockets before I wash my clothes. Every time. On Sunday I find something too. But this time I am not looking for it. My flat is not clean. There are books on the floor. There are cups on the table. There is gray dust on the shelf. So I open the window. I close the kitchen door first, of course. Then I clean. I put the books on the shelf. Luna sits on the shelf too. She thinks this is a game. Then I move the bed. It is old and it is heavy. Under the bed there is a lot of dust. There is an old cup. There is a red sock. And there is a small photo. I take it in my hand. It is old. The colors are soft and warm. I sit down on the floor. In the photo there is a small boy. He is maybe 6 years old. He has a very big ice cream. The ice cream is on his face. The boy is me. Next to me there is a woman. She has short gray hair. She has kind eyes. It is my grandmother. Behind us there is the sea. Now I remember that day. It is a hot day in summer. We take the bus to the sea. The bus is old and slow. My grandmother has a big yellow bag. In the bag there are sandwiches. The sandwiches are warm from the sun. We eat them on the sand. Eat slowly, she says. I never eat slowly. I am 6 years old. Then she buys me an ice cream. It is bigger than my face. And a man on the beach takes this photo. For many years I do not think about this day. Now I hold it in my hand. My grandmother lives far away now. She lives in a small town near the sea. We do not talk very often. I look at the photo for a long time. Then I take my phone. It is in my pocket. Now I always know where my phone is. I call her. She answers slowly. Alex, is everything okay? Everything is okay, I say. I find an old photo under my bed. I tell her about the ice cream. She is quiet for a moment. Then she laughs. You eat it in 2 minutes, she says. And then you want another one. We talk for 1 hour. We talk about the sea. We talk about the old bus. We talk about the big yellow bag. Luna sleeps on my legs. The room is warm. Now the photo is on my wall, next to the door. I see it every morning. And now I call my grandmother every Sunday. I clean my room for 1 hour that day. But I find something much better than a clean room. 3 small things. A cat in a box. A phone in old jeans. A photo under a bed. Sometimes we look everywhere for something. And it is at home, very close to us. Thank you for listening to Slow English Listening. If you like this story, please subscribe. There is a new easy English story every week. You can listen to this video again tomorrow. The second time is always easier. See you next time.